Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be analysing OSTK, ticker Overstock. Now this stock has been on an absolute tear recently. At their earnings they were sitting, or pre-earnings, they were only sitting around $18. We can see they now near enough up 100%, near at $32. Now, we have had all of a sudden a massive sell-off in this stock. We're down 9% today. Now, what caused this? Because we have continued this upward strength. We came for our first deviation. We hit our second. We hit our third. We finally hit our fourth. And this has really finally been that trigger that we've been waiting for to finally cue this massive sell-off. Because again, really whenever you're above this level, you're oversold. Then once you break these thirds, this tends to always be very short-lived. And you can see we hit that on the Thursday of last week. It's taken about a week for us to come more into a realistic level, but we have started to start trading back below it as to be expected. So that's what's happened with OSTK so far. Now, what are the key things I would be paying attention to? So again, we have broken through the $29.30 to $30.10 level. This is our third deviation. This would be my key resistance for now. If we start to break back above this, again, the stock can go very parabolic. So I would be cutting losses if we start breaking above that, if we're looking at it short bias. Now, if we start to continue to break down, we're looking to play the short bias. I'd be using a $26.35 as a target to the downside. This could also mean, if you're a long bias trader, could potentially look for a bit of a bounce off of this level as well. But to me, I am looking at it more short bias because I play things as a mean reversion strategy. I play it as a reversal. So I'm looking to target 26.35 as a target. And if we can break that, we're then looking at 23.40 to 22.50 as those lower down targets. So that's what I'm paying attention to, supports on OSTK on the downside. Again, if we break back above $30, I'm not looking to trade this. I won't even really give levels because if it's above here, it's quite parabolic. I don't think the technicals will make all that much sense above here. And I think it will probably be a bit more of a slower uptrend, and then all of a sudden you'll get a massive crash out of nowhere, kind of like we got today, a relatively slower move, and then all of a sudden you can give back all those gains in basically a day or so. So that's firstly what I'm seeing from that. Then the next thing I just want to quickly cover is how these levels line up, because they're lining up. Again, these are standard deviation channels. The golds are the first, the blues are the second, and the greens are the third. So these deviations are all key levels from a statistical standpoint, but we can also see these are lining up very nice with actual levels in the market. And whenever this happens, it just makes those levels that bit stronger. And that's what you can really see. Again, the third wasn't that clean on the way down, but it wasn't clean on the way up either. But the second was clean on the way up. The second was relatively clean. The second and first were relatively clean. So we'll probably see these play out as quite nice levels on the downside now. So that is the breakdown. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this video here.